Okay, I was showing you in a previous video about the Donald Trump ear wound, that date, and how it kind of reflected across at this potential date, actually today's date, the 7th of January. If we do a number jump from when that ear wound happened to today, it's 178 days. Okay, half of 178, because we're looking at a reflection here. So the midpoint, the balance point between this date here is 178 days. Note that Washington does have 187 numerology, and that Madonna does connect to 178 as well with Sean Penn, with his birthday. So again, any day that's good for the Hoover Dam is good for Madonna, and vice versa. But let me show you something here. So we've got this 178 day jump. Half of 178 is 89. Again, kind of similar to, connecting to the Queen's death date. Okay, 8-9. So this is the halfway point. So if we go from 7/13/2024 through to 10/10/2024, this is the halfway point. We can double check it going back the other way. I still don't know if that's completely right, but 1/7/2025 going back in reverse takes us to 10/10, 89 days. Now, what is significant about 10/10 is we had some connections with Madonna with 10/10, but we also, this is a huge Hoover Dam reference, and it ties back to the dollar bill. Okay, let me explain why. So if we go to paint, I have got the old $10 bill in here. Now, what is fascinating about the old $10 bill, if I put a line across here, we'll just go in grey. There's two fold markers that are the same on this dollar, on the $10 bill as on the $1 bill, and they occur. Well, I say they're the same, but they occur roughly in the same spot, which is right around here. If you can see my cursor, it's actually right where this 10 is written. Let me draw a line through it, and you'll see where it goes to. Okay, and I think I'm pretty close there. Doesn't have to be exactly dead on. But anyway, that's close enough. We're going through the 10 here and the 10 here. The 10, 10. We're going right through the 10, 10. The 10, 10 is connecting both sides of this bill together. Okay? Right. Let's put in the dam so you can see the dam. Look, here's the grey of the dam, and we're going to leave the tie, which forms the ruffles of that tie form. This is the bottom of the canyon here. This is the dam. This is the face of the dam. I don't know if that's necessarily a good I suppose it's grey. It looks kind of concretey. This is the Hoover Dam right here. Oh, come on. I should have picked a bigger brush. So that's the face of the dam right there. Okay. And then what we have with the ruffles here, the ruffles, is that water flowing over the dam. Okay. This is the water. This is the dam breaking. 10-10. The ear shot ties us in with this 10-10. Yeah. If we look at the chart of Lorraine, 10-10 is a reference back to 570, 57. Obviously, the Heinz ketchup event, the Heinz 57 event. We've had Heinz referenced several times, especially with the connection to Batman, yeah, and Donald Trump with the connection to Batman and the Heinz field in The Dark Knight. Okay, the Heinz 57 event, the ketchup on the ear event. Okay, 57, 1010 references that. 1010 is the midpoint between that event and today's date. Tomorrow is the 8th, and the 7th into the 8th is the, what do I want to say? It could potentially be the rebirth, yeah? The rebirth of the king, okay? Again, Elvis's birthday, the 8th, the king, okay? Elvis, if you watch Jurassic Liars, if you take the name, if you take the word Elvis and put a reverse, if you have alphabetical letters written out forward and then you put the corresponding alphabet written out in reverse underneath, if you take the letters for Elvis, it will spell out Hoover, okay? So anyway, Hoover, Hoover Dam, born the same year as Elvis, okay? The dam being created when you were born into this world, just like the Twin Towers coming down when you are born into this world. Balance, going out of balance, going into the dam. Coming out of the dam is the breaking of the dam, okay? It's the resurrection of the Twin Towers. It wouldn't surprise me if the Hoover Dam fell down, that the four pillars, or at least two of the pillars, or all four pillars, are left standing, which are the inlet towers. Anyway, that's it. Just thought that was interesting. So 1010 is the midpoint between the ear wound and today's date, the 7th of January. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.